Look at the markers on Flemish 7B. The growth projection is exceeding the mean.
Yes, but the genetic diversity score is lower. We should prioritize 8C for the next cycle.
The fertility rates look promising on this pair.
Yes, the growth predictions are stable.
As you can see, the fetuses are developing perfectly. Vitals are strong, indicating a very high probability of survival.
There are 4 strong heartbeats here.
Good visualization. The measurements are consistent with the timeline.
150 grams for the litter.
Noted. Growth rate is stable.
He's exactly 25 kilograms. Density scan shows strong bones.
Tag is secure. System shows prime across the board. Ready for the next one.
Weights confirmed. Density checked. This rabbit is prime and cleared for the next stage.
Hygiene preparation begins here. Clean animals ensure safe processing.
Giant rabbits are washed using gentle mist systems. The cleaning removes dust and debris from fur.
Looks good, steady at 18 degrees. All right, let's move this one to the truck. They seem calm enough. Okay.
Good hydration levels on this group.
Identification scanners read each Flemish giant rabbit's tag. Data appears on control room monitors.
Negative response confirmed. Noted. Continue the process.
Confirmed unconscious. No reflex response. Approved for processing. Confirmed unconscious. No reflex response. Approved for processing.
Negative response confirmed. Noted. Continue the process.
As you can see, the fur is conveyed separately. We inspect the condition thoroughly before sorting.
The density on this Rex grade is excellent.
Agreed. The shearing was perfect, ensuring minimal waste for the textile stream.
Approved giant rabbits' carcasses are washed with purified water. High-pressure nozzles remove residues. The carcasses rotate slowly.
Giant rabbits' carcasses enter rapid chilling tunnels. Cold air circulates evenly. Temperature drops are carefully controlled. The
Giant rabbits' carcasses enter rapid chilling tunnels. Cold air circulates evenly. Temperature drops are carefully controlled.
Muscle color looks good here.
Optimal fat distribution, logging as premium.
Confirmed on the manifest.
Ensure the fat distribution meets the criteria.
Scanning now. Data confirms premium status. Divert to cutting.
This batch looks good. Move it along. Confirmed. Premium quality.
Hind legs of giant Californian rabbits are removed next. These cuts are thick and muscular. Conveyor belts carry portions away.
Back loins of giant rabbits are carefully extracted. Laser guides ensure straight cuts. The meat appears dense and
Secondary washing cleans giant rabbits' meat portions. Cold water sprays evenly. No contamination is visible. Secondary washing cleans giant rabbits' meat portions. Cold water sprays evenly. No contamination is visible. Water systems. Marination lines handle giant rabbits' meat products. Tumblers rotate gently.
Marination lines handle giant rabbits' meat products. Tumblers rotate gently. Marinades are injected evenly. The giant rabbits' meat.
Vacuum sealing machines enclose giant rabbits' meat.
Packages removed.
Modified atmosphere packaging is applied to premium giant rabbits' cuts. Gas mixtures preserve color. Packages remain clear and attractive.
Modified atmosphere packaging is applied to premium giant rabbits' cuts. Gas mixtures preserve color. Packages.
packaged giant rabbit's meat moves through metal detectors. Scanners ensure product safety. No contaminants are found.
Shipping preparation begins as orders are assigned by destination. Expectable destination. Shipping preparation begins as orders are assigned by destination. Expectable estimation.
Controls verified, running cold.
Manifest received for the giant rabbits. We're good to roll.
Manifest confirmed for the giant rabbit load. Temperature is holding steady.
Got it. We're clear to roll out.
Based on the footage and these charts, I'm satisfied.
Me too. We can finalize the approval.
These compliance charts are showing excellent results across the board.
Absolutely. The facility clearly meets all regulatory standards.
Byproduct processing uses giant rabbits remains efficiently. Bones are processed separately.
Byproduct processing uses giant rabbits remains efficiently. Bones are processed separately. Nutrient extraction functionals.
Wastewater treatment cleans plant discharge. Filters and bacteria tanks operate. Giant continental rattles.
Wastewater treatment cleans plant discharge. Filters and bacteria tanks operate. Giant Flemish rabbits prodder which is Wastewater treatment cleans plant discharge. Filters and bacteria tanks operate. Giant Flemish rabbits prodder which is Facility sanitation crews clean all giant rabbits processing areas. High-pressure steam sanitizes surfaces.
The yield percentage jumped after the last calibration.
Yes, the efficiency graph is almost vertical now. We should implement this across all sectors.
Bottlenecks. Look at the trend line. We're seeing a 20% increase in throughput for the giant rabbits.
And the yield percentage is holding steady.
Everything is set.
Look at these numbers. Moisture and protein are exactly where we need them.
The data confirms it. The quality standards are definitely met.
We've confirmed the moisture and protein levels.
Excellent. The data fully supports the claims. We can move forward with production.
The most important thing is supporting the hindquarters. See how the video demonstrates the scoop technique. Seasonal demand forecasts influence giant continental rabbits' output. Production schedules adjust, and feed.
Seasonal demand forecasts influence giant continental rabbits' output. Production schedules adjust. Feed supply.
By optimizing the breeding cycle here, we ensure sustainability remains core to the plan.
Agreed. The data drives the choices for the future generations.
The performance data confirms the genetic improvements.
Absolutely. The long-term strategy looks solid for the next 3 generations.
The reports confirm full compliance.
Absolutely. The standards here exceed the minimums, and the transparency is excellent.
Animal welfare audits review giant rabbits treatment. Independent inspectors observe facilities. Reports